Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I am super excited to see you here as always. So today I'm filming the get ready with me video. It's been a while since I have done this video and I've always get a lot of requests for that. I'm going to have a date night with my husband. We're going to the movies and probably going to grab something to eat. So it's super exciting because I don't get to go out very often. Usually we just go somewhere with the kids because the kids are with us 24/7, and it's very nice when you're able to actually get out and spend some quality time with your second half. So I would like to get pretty today and make it very special and nice date night for us. So if you want to see how I'm doing this, then stay tuned. Before I start this video, I would like to talk to you about the sponsor of this video. And the sponsor is the company. It's called Dossier Perfumes. And I got two of their perfumes right here. I just recently ordered them. Those are perfumes that are actually made in France. And they're made with inspiration in mind of like big brand perfumes, but they also keep in mind the price range that would be comfortable for like a regular customer, because the expensive perfumes are in $100 range. These perfumes with being this size are so much cheaper than a big perfume brands that you can find in like Ulta or Sephora, because this bottle is 1.7 ounces, which is 50 milliliters, and it only costs about $30. And they also have a lot of different deals and coupons. Like right now, I believe on their website, it's 20% off. So, you just keep an eye on their website and you will find so many options. And they have so many perfumes, like a variety for anyone. Like anyone can find something for them. So these two perfumes I got, this one is Oriental Woody 7. And I got a little card that came with it. It's right here. So the top notes: bergamot, green tea, jasmine. Middle notes: rose, orange blossom, orchid, freesia. Base notes: musk, patchouli, and praline. So inspiration is Victor and Rolf's Flower Bomb. And I love Flower Bomb perfume. So I ordered this one because I know that it's going to smell similar. It's not the same, but it's inspired by this. So I know what to expect. So let me try. Yep, it smells very similar. So, and another thing I like, it has like a little magnet inside of this, inside this cap. So when you put it on, snaps in place. I just love it. It's like super satisfying. And I was concerned about the quality of the bottle. Actually, the quality is really good. The spray is super fine. The bottle is very heavy because it's a glass bottle. With like a very thick bottom, so it's super quality product. And I actually wore this perfumes a couple of days ago, and I was pleasantly surprised how long they last. I'll post the link down below for their website. The company is called Dossier, and those are perfumes made in France. So don't miss out and get yours. So I'm going to start my makeup with this matte poreless by Maybelline in natural beige. I'm going to use one of my Morphe brushes and apply it all over my face because I have a few little pimples. And during this video, I'm also going to give you a few my life updates, because I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys and things like that. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is this show. I know a lot of people expecting waiting for a Little Women LA to come back, and we are waiting as well, because with this whole pandemic, it kind of threw everybody's plans out of the window. We were supposed to start filming last March. We actually filmed like 1 or 2 episodes, I believe 1 episode, and then pandemic happened, so we had to stop. It was very weird, like everything was very weird, because we never had the breaks like this. And during this break, so much happened. Like a lot of people, few people got divorced, somebody gave birth, so a lot was happening, and the show was missing all this. So when we finally started, and they were still in like pre-production stage, so we were about to start like full-blown production the following week, and then it was canceled because of the pandemic. But nobody knew how long it's going to take. Like everybody expected it to be maybe 2 months, I don't know. But the production companies and TV like companies, TV channels, TV networks, I don't know, were allowed to open back in June, but there's so many restrictions. You have to like test the employees and all that so often. So I know they're still working on things, and I know that they're doing their best. So we're waiting patiently. So for the powder, I set my face with the Laura Mercier Smooth Finish Foundation powder with 05. And what I like about it is that this foundation is like a medium coverage. It's not a full coverage. But together with the foundation powder, it has like very nice coverage, at least in my opinion. So now I'm going to chisel out those cheeks using the Marc Jacobs Mirage, what is it? Mirage filter, and a shade 40. I love this. I just recently rediscovered it because it was stored somewhere. But yeah, I love this shade. It's not too cool because when the contour shade is too cool, it looks like you're like it's bruises basically when it has like a little purple to it. So this one is not too cool, but it's not super warm, because sometimes when I'm using bronzers for my contour, it's just way too warm and it doesn't even look like a shadow, because the contour is supposed to look like a shadow, right? So I've been eating quite a bit during this pandemic. I actually gained almost 10 pounds back. So I definitely need a little bit of help with the contour. So for the blush, I'm gonna use this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. I don't know what, I think it's like the one with the champagne pop. And I'm using it once again with the Morphe brush. So yeah, what else has been going on? So I started my school almost a month ago. This is the 4th week, and it's been crazy because I get 7 classes, which is 19 units. And 19 units, so you know, it's the maximum amount of units that you're allowed to take. So 7 classes, 19 units. I'm going strong. I was even thinking to like drop out a few classes, but I want to power through it. I don't know where I'm going with this degree yet. I might be going for an associate degree. I might be going for just few certificates. There's interior design assistant, interior design professional. So I don't know, because I did the English class for the associate degree, which is the same classes, but for associate degree you need to do like a general education classes. So I did English last semester, and it was very difficult for me. First of all, because English is my second language, it was super difficult. But anyway, it's not even about difficulty, it's about if I need it, because I do have degree in Russia. I actually have a degree in law. So I do have bachelor degree, and I probably can get it like translated into English and like verified. I don't know how it's done, but something like this if I need to use it here. So I don't know if I need to do the general education classes over again. At the same time, it might be easier just do the general education classes and have American degree, you know, than trying to do all that with my Russian degree. So I don't know. Let me guys know what you think. I'm kind of debating. So I've been really liking how it's going in school. I love the school. I'm going to the Orange Coast College, and we're going online this semester. Last semester we started in class and we finished it online. But I actually enjoyed online better because I don't spend as much time just driving around. Like last semester, Guys, I had so many classes. I also had like, I think I had 6 classes last semester. And it was just ridiculous trying to, like, in between my classes, I had like 3 or 4 hours sometimes. So this way, I can eliminate this time. Like during my breaks, I can, you know, I can cook something, I can play with kids, I can just enjoy myself. So I kind of like this online stuff, but I know a lot of people have hard times with it. So for my, I used the Anastasia brown wiz in like a medium brown, I believe. And now I'm using my palette. It's a Girl Code palette. Guys, pick yours up at glamistrybeauty.com. I have sales once in a while, but this palette is not going to disappoint you guys. This is just amazing quality, made in USA, and payoff is amazing. The mattes, the shimmers, just everything is really good. Well, you can see I only did like a little bit, and it's already, see, too bright for my natural look I'm going for. So I need to blend. So yeah, that's been going on. Kids do not go to school. We take turns with my husband, with my mom. My mom is still here because we applied for her green card, and you're not allowed to leave the country until you get the green card or get some response from them. So we just did her medical examination. You need medical examination for that. So, and you can do it in the beginning, you can do it in the end. So we decided to do it later when they ask us to, because sometimes when you know, it's expensive. Everything that comes, like, I remember I was getting green card. I don't remember that being that expensive. And when I was getting my green card, I was using a lawyer because I didn't know how this process worked. My English was not great. So now we're not really using the lawyer. We're just doing it, just, you know, with instructions on their website, USCIS website. And yeah. And it's still expensive. So I'm super excited, guys, because they just recently opened the movie theaters. You probably saw it in one of my vlogs. And the movie theaters, guys, I was just so excited. I was like peeing in my pants excited, because it's just one of my favorite things. Just going to movies, and you know, you're like in a different world when you're in the movie, when you're watching a movie, I would say. So I don't know how this season is gonna go. Every fall, like, little people get a lot of auditions because it's like a season for commercials for little people for Christmas, like elves and things like that. It's already September something, and I did not get like a single invitation to audition or single like request for the self-tape, which is very weird. It's very different from what it usually is, but it is what it is. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of wing it out a little bit. Alright, I think it's like as good as it's gonna get. I think I need to put a little bit more eyeshadows in there. So I'm using the Intervention and Frenemies together. Frenemies is just like a pure black. I'm just going to add a little bit of shadow right here. Let me guys know if you do your makeup very often, because I noticed with this quarantine thing, with this pandemic, I like rarely wear makeup. First of all, because kids do not go to school, and I just don't have time. Like, I do my homework when Preston watches the kids, and then we switch, and then I take kids to like a pool or park, so I just don't have time. And then the second of all, I don't really have many places to go. Like, when everything was closed, we only go to the park, you know, and the pool. And the pool was only like recently when they finally opened it. So now I'm gonna use the Roller Lash by Benefit. I love this mascara. It's super nice, but it kind of dries out on me pretty fast. Well, this one was okay, but the previous ones, for some reason, was yeah, dry out pretty fast on me. Let me guys know what is your favorite mascara, because I'm still in the search for my all-time favorite. I really like the lengthening this one gives. Abort the mission. But I don't like that it's not giving me much of the volume. So alright, so I'm almost done with my makeup. The last thing I'm going to apply is this Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I cannot really see the name of it. Okay, Fenty Glow. It's the one that was like originally came out. It was only one shade. I don't know if they added more shades, but this is one of the most universal lip glosses I've ever owned, because I never had the lip gloss that would be like this neutral color that would be so wearable and like not sticky and just look good on any skin tone. So this one is like just a perfect amount of see-through, but it's not completely translucent. So I love this one. The only thing is that now when we go out, I have to remember that there are a lot of places that we're supposed to wear masks, so I can only wear lip gloss when we go to like a park or like outdoors area. But then when I have to put the mask on, it like sticks to my mask a bit, so I have to wipe it off. But anyway, I just want to show you this whole application, just in case you guys interested how I do my makeup lately. So that is it for today's makeup. I have few questions for you. If you watched this video till the end and you're still listening, so can you please give me your comments down below. I have few questions. The first one, which one is your favorite perfume? Second is, what place you missed the most during the pandemic, because there are a lot of places that was closed. So yeah, those are two questions that I am very interested to hear your opinion about. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. I was very happy to see you, and I will see you in the next video. And until the next time, bye.